What habits do the rich have that set them apart? It's a question that has intrigued many for centuries. Well, today, we're going to delve into the world of the wealthy and successful and unravel the secrets behind their habits. Stick around and you might just pick up a few tips to elevate your own life. First on the list is early rising. Many wealthy individuals are known to start their day before the sun comes up. This habit is not about torturing themselves with an early alarm clock, but rather about having uninterrupted, productive time to strategize their day, exercise, or indulge in a passion project. Next, we have continuous learning. Rich people understand the importance of lifelong education. They are constantly reading, attending seminars, or learning new skills. Their thirst for knowledge is never quenched, and their investment in learning is a testament to their success. Thirdly, networking is a common habit among the wealthy. They understand the importance of building and maintaining relationships. They attend events, dinners, and gatherings, all with the intent of expanding their circle. They know that success is often about who you know, not just what you know. Next up is goal setting. The rich don't just dream, they set clear, achievable goals. They know where they're going and what they need to do to get there. They hold themselves accountable and track their progress regularly. Fifth on our list is healthy living. Rich people understand that health is wealth. They prioritize regular exercise, healthy eating, and proper sleep. They know that their physical health is the foundation of their productivity and success. The sixth habit is giving back. Many wealthy individuals are committed to philanthropy. They understand that wealth comes with a responsibility to help others and make a positive impact on the world. Lastly, we have embracing failure. The rich see failure not as a setback, but as a stepping stone to success. They learn from their mistakes and use them as opportunities to grow and improve. So, to recap, the habits that set the rich apart include early rising, continuous learning, networking, goal setting, healthy living, giving back, and embracing failure. These habits are not exclusive to the rich, and anyone can adopt them to improve their own life. Remember, these habits are not about having a mountain of money, but rather about developing a mindset of success and prosperity. Because at the end of the day, true wealth is not just about financial abundance, but also about personal growth, happiness, and fulfillment. So why not start adopting these habits today? You might just be surprised at the difference they can make.